Hi guys, just wanted to drop you a quick video about the price, lower price in camera, outdoor security camera, the Blink XT2. It's a rather new camera. I mean, there was the old XT, now there's the XT2. It's a little bit of improvement, two-way audio, improved battery lifetime and so on. I have the XT1 and I'm super happy with that, and the XT2 is even supposed to be a little bit better. Of course, it had a couple of problems at the beginning, but it looks like the problem have been solved, and yeah, it has always been 99.99 since the beginning, since it came out, apart from the Amazon Prime Day. But apart from that, it was always 99.99, and for the first time it dropped to 79.99. Usually there are not many not many discount offers from this camera because it's a really good camera. They don't need these price drops to sell. I mean, I can really tell you, I have tried many security cameras, and this is the best for sure. It comes even with free cloud service. It is pretty reliable, and it's an outdoor camera. You can place it outside, and you can buy now the one camera kit. It's a kit, it means it's the camera and plus the communication module for only $79.99. You can also buy two cameras. It's also at a lower price at the moment. And yeah, the thing is, like, the two camera kit, it comes with two camera and one communication module. Of course, three camera kit comes with three cameras plus one communication module. If you buy this camera and you want to buy later an extra camera, you don't have to buy the kit again. You can only add the you can only buy the add-on camera, or if you have already the camera, doesn't matter if it's the XT1 or XT2, you can just buy the add-on camera for 69. I mean, it's definitely the best thing. You can see here, it's super easy, nice app, really fast, really reliable detection. I was really surprised to see what it can do. I mean, it's not a professional camera, but I mean, it's really good. It's really reliable. It catches most of the things, and the only disadvantage what I see is actually that it is infrared. It works with an infrared sensor. Of course, you cannot point from the inside of a window to the outside, but I mean, it's not needed with this camera. You can place it outside because it's weatherproof. And the other disadvantage is you can't watch the camera from a PC. I mean, it's not intended to permanently watch areas. If you need something to permanently watch areas, you need a professional surveillance camera system, something which I had in my videos a couple of days ago. But for normal, I would say normal user, this is the best thing, the easiest thing what you can buy. Just buy a kit for every side of your home. Let's say 5 camera kit, and you can cover all areas around your home, and that's it. I mean, you don't have to pay for cloud, you don't have to pay for a server, you don't have to run a PC all the time, you don't need hard disk. I mean, of course, you can, if you want, buy some small extra stuff like extra mounts and special covers and so on. I have a plastic cover for maybe $2 or $3, which is really great, prevents from overheating, and if it falls down, it will protect the camera. But apart from that, it's really holding up nicely since many months now, and I still like it. And if I would have to buy an extra camera, it would definitely be this one. So I'll put down the link into the description for this listing, so you can order it right from there using the link. And that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.